For most of her life, Jan found joy in the kitchen. Cakes, cookies, pies, her kitchen was her favorite place to be. But over time, things got harder. Reading recipe cards wasn't as easy as it used to be. Getting to the store for ingredients became a challenge. And slowly, baking started to feel out of reach. That's when Jan got a little help. Her in-home caregiver didn't just assist with errands and reading labels. Her caregiver became a partner in the kitchen. They planned recipes together, made grocery lists, and shared stories while the oven warmed up. Together, they laughed, measured, stirred, and baked. And one afternoon, Jan baked a cake for her daughter's birthday. From scratch, just like old times. It wasn't just a cake. It was a symbol of independence and of the joy that comes from doing what you love, with a little help along the way. Because sometimes the right support can bring the sweetest moments back to life.